We're having a great day here at Mighty Auto Pro. Leanne speaking. How can I help you today?
Good morning, Leanne. This is David at Crestmont Hyundai. The vehicle has been completed.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, we will send our driver over with the next one.
I know. She said, we'll swap them. I said, not a problem.
Okay, that's
Actually,
perfect.
there was 2 recalls on it also.
Oh, excellent.
There was the one for the software update for the security system.
Okay.
So let everybody know, or whatever it is, that when they go to lock the vehicle, they need to use the fob. That is what activates the system.
Okay.
Don't use the key in the door or the door lock on the door.
Okay. I'm like,
always
do people
use the
do
fob.
that anymore?
There's still a couple. And then the other was just a software update for the engine control unit.
Okay, so both of those have been completed as well.
Both have been completed, yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Bye-bye.